Hi folks, Mike Reed from TradeStalker.com with a quick video recap from February 27th, Tuesday, February 27th. Okay, so this morning, in last night's update, I was very bearish about the market. We were in a parabolic move, and this morning we had a lower open and a bounce up to what was a one-line resistance at yesterday's high at 85. They bounced up to 84 3/4 and stalled out. Gave us 8 points of movement to the downside, 8.5 points of movement to the downside for an early trade here. So they stalled out and they ran up there, and when they did, they went through right through 85, starting to get parabolic here again, and they went to the this is 88, 89 zone. They went to 89 3/4, just 3 ticks above that zone. And as you can see, it came up here, stalled out a little bit, immediately reversed. This is a 75% retracement from the all-time high to the crash low. And with this reversal here, it set up a nice steady downtrend here for a good trade. I believe we were in our trading room at the time. Okay, then we get after we came down, cut right through that this initial support here, and had a bounce, came back up. This bounce was a 50% retracement from top to bottom, stopped at 77 1/4, I believe it was. And this was another shorting opportunity. They came up here, they stalled out. We kind of had a ragged, and we were selling all these bounces. They would come down and pop up and come down and pop up. It was kind of the nature of the way the market was structured at the moment. This is our target, was our target on the downside, which was reached. Another feeble bounce, and they ended up taking it out. Came down after this low was made here. We had a nice reversal here on this bar. It didn't stay under resistance or support here very long. When it came back up, I can use this area again. This, if you look at a 1-minute chart at this time frame, you'll see a nice setup here for a short. It was right at the 72, 73 zone again. Turned down from 73. Basically in no man's land here. Another pop up. This one is ideal. If you look at a 1-minute chart here, you'll see a three bar setup that was ideal for an entry. And you can see this kind of a, I call it a doji or whatnot pattern. 10 minutes straight down, and these bounces, like I kept saying, sell the bounces, are failing. And I said that these we have a triple or quadruple low which should be broken. Normally are broken because they're rare. They bounced back and they stopped at this zone here on this last bounce. And also at this moving average. Okay, so set up another trade here. I gave that we could fill the gap at 49.5 as a target down here, which was right here. They kept on going. They went down to the 43.5 major breakdown support, just under it, and turned up at the end of the day here on the close. So kind of a reversal day. This was yesterday's action, and today we have a higher high and a lower low. So an outside day on the charts. We'll see if this changes things. Get tonight's update, and you'll get my take on this. So hope you had a great day. Have a great trading day tomorrow. Take care.